Hello there, welcome again. We're looking at your NVQ folder in regards to your portfolio and the requirements you will need to complete Unit 311 1-3, okay, or Unit 3-11. Now all I've done here is to look at the method statement and to give you an idea as to what you would need to actually be looking at and what you should be considering. Okay. Now I don't need to read this to you. You can read this for yourselves. Okay, so I'll move it up slowly. Okay, again, and hopefully you can apply this to your own work. Now again, remember to take pictures, photographs of yourself, again in PPE. Do not half measure. You must be in full PPE, meaning protective footwear as well at all times. Your photograph should have descriptions as well, okay? Just carrying on up. Now exclude the blank page while I go down a little bit further, okay? Now we're coming to where I would like us to actually continue from and to observe. Now here you can see we have work within the requirements, risk assessment, etc., method statement, safe system of work, and that's the bit I want to look at mainly. Safe system of work. Okay, risk assessment you should have done already, and your method statement. Now remember that your safe system of work relates to the Health and Safety at Work Act 1974. Again, you can read this for yourselves. I don't need to read this to you. Okay, basically I'm hoping that it's large enough to be seen. Shouldn't be a problem, hopefully. Okay, now again, assessing safe working practices, and we're looking at this. This again for you to read yourselves. I don't need to read this to you. You should be able to do that. Hopefully, I'm just trying to make sure it's large enough to be seen. Okay, and again, here we have basic flowchart for assessing safe working practices under live or dead situations. Okay. And this will allow you to determine your own safe practices. Now this goes into consider whether or not, if you are in a situation where you need to be working, whether it's best to work on it live or dead. Always work dead wherever possible. That would be my recommendation based on experience. Okay. Now that bit here, it is also worth bearing in mind that your method statements also form part of your safe system of work, so you can bring that into play. Again, give descriptions of photographs of yourselves, putting these things into place. Okay. Deciding whether to work dead or alive, has the following conditions been met? That's what you need to consider. And again, this is for you to read yourselves. I don't need to be reading this to you. Okay. And again, I've given you a flowchart here to look at. Now the flowchart has actually been taken from the HSE website. Okay, so that should not be a problem, hopefully. Okay, and you can again apply this for yourselves. And again, you can read this for yourself. You don't need me to read this to you. Okay. Okay, and that's where we're going to stop for now. Thank you.